Hey guys, today's video may be one of my favorite Disneyland videos we've ever done. We're going to be inside the Disneyland park, inside the Frontierland area, riding on one of my all-time favorite attractions, Big Thunder Mountain. If you enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to show us your support, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I sure hope you enjoy the video.
You move them, because this here's the wildest ride in the wilderness!
That's why I stand by the door. Make sure you go the distance.
I forgot I cut my hair.
I'm not worried about my arm and my neck. I need my leg.
Oh, okay.
Tell me, am I hit a bell? Why is this so
What was that?
Snack. Would you like a snack?
Because this here's the wildest ride in the wilderness!
Hotel and everything.
We serve the finest corn whiskey. I almost threw up. Under Ellie, I almost threw up. Everyone died.
Project though, like hopefully it wouldn't be that hard to find.
There's something that
Well, this was a video I sure was excited to make. I'll tell you, Big Thunder Mountain is absolutely one of our favorite rides at the Disneyland Resort. Our family usually goes on it every day that we are there. We love it so much. And last year when we were there in October and I got to film a bunch of the rides, Big Thunder Mountain was down for refurbishment at that point, which was just heartbreaking for our family. If we could probably pick one ride not to be down for refurbishment, it would probably be Big Thunder Mountain. And so that was heartbreaking for us. But when Angie and I went back this May for my birthday and Big Thunder Mountain was open, I was so excited to get to record it so that I could make a video from it. And it was really neat getting to record once during the day and once at night. I thought the footage came out really cool. I sure hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to show us your support, please subscribe to our channel. Bucket Day Adventures is also available on Instagram. And please remember to take time out of your day to do something fun to fill your bucket. Thanks for watching and take care.